cut. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nidhi and this is my very first video on the YouTube. I'm super duper excited to be doing this and I hope you guys love it too. Okay, so today we'll be talking about Anarkali suit and I will be showing you my top 3 picks from Myntra. So going ahead with it, first and foremost, I have been wearing Anarkali suit for so long, but पता नहीं क्यों बीच में I just stopped wearing Anarkali suit. पहले when I was in school, my mama used to get me a lot of Anarkali suits, and I used to have those, and I used to wear it. But I don't know. I think graduation, post graduation, and then work. I joined corporate, and then after that, I just stopped wearing it for some reason. फिर उसके बाद अभी रिसेंटली मैंने रामेश्वरम का ट्रिप प्लान किया था. बाय द वे दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट ज्योतिर्लिंगा दर्शन एंड इट वाज अमेजिंग. एंड रामेश्वरम, इफ यू आर गोइंग देयर फॉर अ 2 days, a lot of touristy spot which instagrammable spot where you can get very good clicks. If you guys want me to make a video of the complete itinerary of Rameshwaram so that you guys, if you are planning for a Jyotirlinga darshan, you can actually avoid the mistake that I made. So अगर आपको वो वीडियो चाहिए तो प्लीज़ नीचे कमेंट कर दें. Maybe my next video will be about that. Coming back to the Anarkalis, so these are the top 3 picks which I picked from Myntra because obviously I was planning a trip to Rameshwaram and वहाँ पे temples visit बहुत थे मेरे, तो I wanted to get some Anarkali suit. So let's talk about the suit. This is the very first Anarkali suit. You will be seeing the entire attire, like I'll be posting it somewhere on the screen for you to have a complete look. So this is from the brand Kalini, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's from Kalini, and this is in the size extra small, and as you can see, it fits me perfectly. So as you can see, there is a lace embroidery on the neck, and as you can see, this is a V neck, and the same lace embroidery is there in your sleeves as well. It is a 3/4 sleeves. I think all 3 suits are 3/4 sleeves, and then the flare also has the same lace work going on. This is in white and blue, and this looks super duper amazing. And as you can see, I've styled it with these earrings. These earrings are from Aqua Street, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I think I got these also from Myntra, and you can see this is like so beautiful. It has a Trishul on the top and a Ganeshji on the bottom. I mean, this just brings together the whole vibe of my temple visit that I wanted to do. And if you guys want link for the suit, I can put that. And also for you guys, I think this suit retails for 1199. I don't know what's the current price on Myntra now. I'll put a link and you guys can go ahead and check it. But this definitely, is a must buy and is super comfy. While I purchased it initially for a temple, I'm an office girly, and for all my office girlies out there, this is super duper comfy, pure cotton, and can be worn in the office as well. तो अगर आप ऑफिस में ये पहनना चाहते हैं, so it's a good pick for that as well. Moving on to the second suit. Oh my god, I absolutely love the second suit. The color combination is amazing. I mean, this is my top, I mean, of these three. If you will ask me to pick a favorite one, I think this will be the one. This is again super duper comfy, and I think it is from the brand Rain and Rainbow, again ordered from Myntra. And this is little bit on the pricier side, and it retails for 2,900 something. I'll be posting the link for this suit also in the in the description for you guys to order from. And okay, let's talk about the suit. It's in the color maroon, has a little bit of blue black design as well. So the, as you can see, that the suit has U neck and has a lace which has some sequin work going on, and the flare has the same lace pattern, and it has a thicker lace than what we had in the previous suit. And it also has some gota patti work in the flare. um, the highlight of this suit is basically absolutely rich color. I'm not gonna deny that, but the contrasting dupatta actually bring the whole look together, just so beautifully. I just can't stress how good it look, right? And I really love it. I know I've been stressing a lot about it, but yeah. So yeah, this is how this look, and I wore panache jewelry. This is oxidized jewelry which brought together the whole look really well, and I hope you guys like it. I'll be posting the link for the jewelry as well in the description for you guys to order from. Moving on to the third suit. This suit is from the brand called Mijaz. These days, I just see a lot of buzz about the brand Mijaz when it comes to suit, and then I just wanted to give it a try as well. So I ended up purchasing this one. This looks very simple, but is very pretty suit. So it is again the similar V neck with this design on the neck. The neck has a lace work with pink flowers and mirror work going on. The same lace is used in the flare as well. This suit looks also very super elegant. But and I think the price of this suit was somewhere around 1600 bucks. Yeah, and तीनों ही सूट बहुत सुंदर हैं. To all my office girlies, if you guys want to wear these suits, these are 100% cotton and you guys can definitely wear it in office. um, Only thing is इस सूट का I have ordered size S. This suit is in size, I mean, as I said, it is in size extra small and fits me perfectly. Maroon one that I bought, this was in S. Actually मैंने size guide देखा था. Size guide के हिसाब से I figured out on Myntra there are size guide for everything that you order, and then I figured out कि मुझे Rain and Rainbow का that maroon suit that I ordered, मुझे उसका S size ही आएगा. So I ordered S. And when I looked at the size guide of this Mijaz suit, I somewhere knew कि मुझे ये fit नहीं होगा. But the point was I really needed it at that point of time, and extra small was out of stock and I did not had much time. वो अलग बात है कि I ended up not wearing it on my trip at all, and I wore just the two suit because it was super hot in Rameshwaram and super humid. Okay, keeping that aside, this is so S size for people who has my body type. You guys can go with XS, and I would just suggest, you know your body well, you know your size well, just go and look at the size guide and order accordingly. Talking about the suit, this is also extremely pretty suit, and you can actually pair it up with the oxidized jewelry and it will look super duper good. So yeah, this was my take on the top 3 Anarkali suit which I picked from Myntra. You guys can go ahead and order it, and you can also leave a comment if you like the video or not, and you can also leave your ideas as to what you would want to see next. I also have few suit which my mama bought for me, and वो सारे 1000 रुपीज से नीचे के हैं. सो सुपर डुपर इकोनॉमिकल, एंड अगर आप चाहते हैं कि मैं नेक्स्ट उसको रिव्यू करूँ, डू लीव अ कमेंट. दोज आर ऑल्सो अनारकलीज एंड दोज आर ऑल्सो सुपर प्रिटी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करें एंड बेल आइकन को दबा दें. थैंक यू सो मच. अंटिल वी मीट नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय.